Jangro is the UK's largest network of janitorial supply companies, with over 40 distribution and sale sites across the UK and Ireland. Jangro offers 4 key product ranges to suit the needs of our wide variety of clients. Our dedicated team will work with you to save time and money. We will be on hand to guide you through the transition process. Our in-house experts have designed and developed a unique health and safety compliance solution called Site Manager. We don't rest on our laurels here at Jangro, and our industry specialists are constantly looking for ways to make your job easier. Here are some of the support we offer to customers.
Welcome to the world of Jangro. We provide the best in cleaning and hygiene products with over 40 distribution and sales sites across England, Wales, Scotland, Ireland and the Isle of Man, meaning we have more service points than any other UK distribution network. Our experience and technical expertise makes us industry leaders and gives us a unique insight into your needs. We're here when you need us, with local delivery at a time and place that suits you. Our friendly drivers care about what they do and pride themselves on a first-class service. You can count on Jangro to provide you with best products and services. With a solid turnover, impressive staff numbers, and a huge fleet of vehicles, our figures really do add up. Our cost-efficient training package covers everything from COSH and health and safety to safe working procedures and product usage guides, saving you time and money. Our new catalogue is fresh, exciting and colour coordinated for ease of use. With a wide range of products to choose from, you will find everything you could possibly need. Ordering from our website couldn't be easier, which means you're never more than a few clicks away from your favourite Jangro products. We really do care about the environment. We use recycled materials as much as possible, use the minimum amount of packaging possible, dispose of less friendly packaging responsibly, and our Enviro range is brimming with reduced environmental impact products. We're always on the lookout for new talent to add to our award-winning product lineup. Think Jangro. Think professional.